Today is 2nd January 2021 and I along with Tim are sitting beside lake in Ahilya complex. Wish you a very happy new year. This Ahilya complex has given part of its accommodation to IIT Palakkad on rent, and we are lucky to be here in Kerala enjoying its beautiful weather and peaceful surroundings. You can see the windmills at a distance. There are 3 of them and there are many more. 3 can be seen from here, and you can see the lake, nice coconut trees and palm trees all around. These coconut trees are all laden with fruit, coconut fruit. Anytime the coconut will fall on our heads. So Tim, be careful. Tim, hey Tim, Tim. Tim is enjoying the peaceful surroundings. Sitting beside lake, a lot of fishes in the pond. Lot of birds, and they are also moving around. These are the lake houses. This is sculpture of Lord Buddha, adding to the serene, calm surroundings. Terracotta horses. There's a security man out there. You see the security? No woolens. Very ideal weather conditions. Must be around 24 to 25 degrees centigrade. As most of northern India and other parts of the country are reeling under a severe winter condition, here it is very ideal. So we are really thankful, enjoying the weather conditions, enjoying the peaceful surroundings. Team is going back to his rest mode. So once again, wish you all a very happy new year, and signing off.